Hello, this is Olivier. In this video, you will learn how to associate a field in the profile with a pick list from the Succession data model. It is very common to associate fields with pick lists to make it easier for end users to complete the information in the profile and prevent errors in this process. It is also easy to report on values of fields when they are associated with a pick list when we want to create dashboards. We will first create the field region, as an example, from a custom field in the Succession data model. We will add this field in the profile layout and test modifications. We will identify a picklist code and then map it to the Succession data model. We will finally review the changes. I am now in provisioning and I will first download the Succession data model. I will click on the company name. I will scroll down a little bit, and under Succession Management, I'm going to click on Import Export Data Model. I will select the second radio button, Export File, and click Submit. I will save the file on my computer, and this is going to be, for example, my V4. Click Save. And I will open that file with my XML editor. There are 15 custom fields available in the standard elements. Let's see if the first one is available. I will do a Control F and look for custom one. And this field is not currently used. I don't see any updates there. I'm just going to label this field a region. At the moment, I will not worry about the translations, so I will remove this code. I will save as a version 5 and import this XML back in provisioning. I'm going to select Import File now. I will locate the XML. Click Open. Maybe I'm going to add some comments. Maybe I'm going to say custom 1 to region and click Submit. I can now see a green message saying that the template has been uploaded and saved, and I can see that there is a fourth backup version available. I am now in the application and I will add my field region in the layout of the profile. From the action search, I will type configure people profile. I'm going to scroll down and let's say that I want to add my field in the employee information under the talent profile. I can see the list of fields available here. I'm going to add another one. And here in that list now, I would expect to see the field region. There we are. So this is the label that we just updated from the Succession data model. Let's see if I can move this field up a little bit. There we are. And I'm just going to click Save. Normally in these kind of cases, when I add a field in the layout of the profile, I also verify the permissions. In the interest of time, I'm going to skip this step and directly go to my employee file. I will go to the talent profile. And under employee information, I can see the field region. I'm going to edit that block. And for the field region, I can see that I can type any label because that field is not associated with a pick list. I'm going to click Save. And let's see if we have a pick list that we could associate to this field. I'm going to go to the Picklist Center. And I'm going to look for pick list for regions. There are many pick lists available, and there is this one with the code a region with a lowercase r that has 4 values. So let's see if I can map this field or associate this field region with that particular pick list that I can see here. I'm not going to use the name, I'm really going to use the code. I am now back in the Succession data model for the standard element custom 01. It's under the label that I'm going to add a piece of code for the pick list. For the ID, I'm going to type the code of my pick list, region. Pick list ID equals region. I'm going to save as a new version. Maybe I would validate that XML if I made a lot of changes or if I am not sure with the changes that I've made, and then I will import it back in provisioning again. I now have my version 5 and I will test the changes in the system. I will navigate back to the employee file and go to the talent profile. From here, I can see the information that I had previously, EMEA North, and that value was not in my pick list. So what happens if I edit that block? Notice that region, I don't have any selection anymore, and I could select a value available from my pick list. And I'm just gonna select Europe, for example, and click Save. I hope that this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching it.